Alright then my friends, in this lesson we're going to be taking a quick look at the review command, which performs a code review on any code changes that we make, and it's fully baked into the Copilot CLI as well. Now I found the review command pretty useful whenever I've added a new feature and I just want another quick pair of eyes to look over it before I make any commits. So in the previous lesson we added a new about page, right, using the custom Figma design agent that we created, and I've not committed those changes yet. And now I'm going to get Copilot to review them. So the way we do this is pretty simple. First, I'm going to tab into autopilot mode. Then I'm going to run the review command and just hit enter. And finally, I'm going to enable all permissions. And the reason I've done this in autopilot with all permissions granted is because during the review, Copilot tries to run a series of Git commands. And if we didn't enable those permissions, then it would just ask us for permission every single time, which slows down the whole process. Anyway, when we run this, Copilot spins up the code review subagent to perform the review, and it follows a series of instructions on exactly what code it should review. So it runs a git status, it finds any changes, and then reviews only those changes. If we had a clean working directory, then it would just compare the changes between the current branch and the main one instead. So I'm going to pause this right now to let Copilot do his thing, and then I'll come back when it's done. Alright, so it's done. You can see right here we spun up the agent and it found an issue, and the issue was that it was missing a focus style on the CTA button, the call to action button, in this page. So it's actually edited that automatically for me and it said fixed. The focus visible rule gives keyboard users a clear gold outline when they tab to get started. Alright, so it's done that without me saying so, which I don't particularly like. I would prefer it to tell me the error, and then I could say to Copilot, yes, go ahead and do that. That could be because I'm on autopilot down here. But either way, I would prefer it if they asked me, which they have done in the past. This is actually the first time I've known it to automatically fix something for me, but there we go. That is the code review custom agent, and I tend to use that after I've implemented a more complex task where I do want just that extra pair of eyes on it before I make any commits.